Streamers, if you're trying to figure out how to make the right thumbnail so that way you can get more click-through rate on your videos without having to spend 30 hours in Photoshop, this might be the video for you. Let's talk about it. So this style of video is really popular. It's this one, this look, this look, this look. You've probably seen a ton of these. So we're going to recreate this, but we're going to use ChatGPT and something called JSON context profiling, so that way you can make a custom GPT so you can recreate this as much as you want. This might be like a 3 or 4 part series. First part is we're going to go to ChatGPT. We're going to add the 4 thumbnails that I just showed you on screen. We're going to say something like this, and we're going to let that have a little bit of a think. There are 4 images. Let's be right back. Okay, so now that we have this JSON context profile, we're going to hit copy, and then we're going to open up something called Notepad++. Notepad++ is just going to be Notepad, but with a whole bunch of extra bells and whistles. In this case, it allows us to save JSON files locally to our PC. So I'm going to go over here to Notepad++, just go right up to the top. I will copy and paste that right in there. We're going to hit File, Save, Thumbnail, Creator, and it'll save it as a JSON file. Now we're going right back over here to the chat. We're going to go ahead and pull in the Thumbnail Creator JSON file that we just made. And on top of that, now we're going to make this into an actual thumbnail with a new image and new text. So what I've done here is now I've added in my Mage. I said, read this JSON context profile, use the image that I provided on the right-hand side, and change the new title to Mages Are Really Bad, and make bad in red. And we're going to go ahead and say save, and let's see what it pops up with. This video is getting way too long. So in the next video, we're going to make a custom GPT so we can spit out a bunch of different images that we want. And we're going to take it a little bit further so we can turn it into an actual thumbnail. So make sure you hit the like button. And if you haven't followed me already, what the fuck are you doing?